I wanted to get into the heating and cooling industry because I realised there was a spot there where people weren't getting the right information. Lots of people were getting confused. Being a plumber by trade, I realised there's an opportunity in this industry to go a lot further, and that's where we're at today after 28 years. Yeah, the early days were challenging. Being a plumber by trade, coming off the tools, coming into the office, having that transition was fairly challenging because I never had any formal experience with that. I found quite a lot of challenges how to have conversations with the staff, and not really realising how important it was to be able to work with your staff and give them guidance and nurture them and build them to be the backbone of the business. What excites me the most about the next year is just seeing everybody continuing to grow together, all these ideas that we've been working on coming to fruition, and just seeing everybody's personal development over the next 12 months. Yeah, really looking forward to the next 12 months.